Okay, so boom, check it out. We have the Pop-Tart Ice Cream. We purchased these at Walmart. Me and the boy. And this is what? What flavor?
S'mores? Oh no,
Cinnamon.
brown sugar, cinnamon.
Brown sugar cinnamon. It's like a regular ice cream sandwich with chocolate in the inside or something. It looks,
Doesn't look good.
it doesn't look good. It's like a Pop-Tart. Do it.
Yeah. Ready?
It's hard. You ready?
Specific. Ready? Huh.
I mean,
Pop-Tart
Pop.
tastes like a pie crust to me. It's pretty good though. Cinnamon makes it better.
Listen, this man say everything tastes good. Okay, it do taste like. You like it?
Okay.
Why would they make this? This is not 1 out of 10. 4.
7.
3.
Go through one bite. Take a little bite.
No. Why would I do that? So the ice cream has cinnamon in it, but the outside of it is it's a Pop-Tart. Why would they do this? I'm not adults. For the adults, no.
It's good.
For you, are you Gen Z?
Sure.
He said yes. I need a second opinion. So
It's it's like 7.
7.
Yeah, it's okay, but it's like it could be better. But it's like a 7.
What it tastes like? It tastes like Pop-Tart?
Yeah, it tastes like a cinnamon type of Pop Tart.
So you a bad?
No, I wasn't bad,
This
but
shouldn't be a 7 then.
but then it's like a fat deal.
So is it go or no go?
If they like the Pop
No,
Tart,
yes or no? You can hey, go change it.
no go.
Pop-Tart ice cream.
Bro, come on, you do too much.
Get in the camera, please.
What?
you gotta rate it 1 to 10. One to 10.
I would not recommend y'all.
1 to 10.
A 1.